Here there is an error because first of all this is not this one, but has to be rows B10 to the current cell, so B10. Okay, and here we are going. Okay, and here we're going to do the same. So now we are going to select the first one, option built in, type is this, color is this one, and the border is black. Okay, so I have to check why there is an error here, but anyway, now I'm going to do the same for the others. You can do an exercise to do the same for the others. I'm going to here insert from the developer a checkbox. This is equal to calculation, this one. Error here, this one, select data, edit, this one is this one, this value. Okay, now we're going to format the rest, so we have checkbox now with this.